Hello, my name is Jeff Charlton and I'm the author and presenter of this module on corrosive plasterboard, or drywall as it's known in the USA. The module provides visual and factual information regarding the massive corrosion and litigation problems now emerging. My company provides many investigative and sampling services for the construction industry. I would ask you to visit our website at www.buildingforensics.co.uk. This summary provides a glimpse of the extent of corrosion problems. The full extent of the contamination or import to countries is unknown, as the manufacturer, one of, if not the biggest European suppliers, has yet to make any comment or answer questions on their product or failures. Considering this problem is only just emerging from products used in the construction industry over 4 years ago and during the construction boom, we must assume that the spread of contamination is widespread. The problems associated with contaminated drywall or plasterboard were first recognised in the USA around 3 years ago. It is thought that following the huge worldwide demand for plasterboard brought about from the building boom and various hurricanes, and specifically Katrina, that major manufacturers were unable to meet demand. One of Europe's largest manufacturer and supplier of drywall are said to have purchased a Chinese drywall manufacturing company and overbranded with their internationally recognised name. In the USA, local state governors have initiated testing which has been supported by federal government environmental health experts from the Environmental Protection Agency. This was undertaken at the initial request of Senators Bill Nelson and Mary Landrieu, although Dr. David Krause, PhD, state toxicologist from Florida Department of Health, a division of environmental health, and the Bureau of Environmental Public Health and Medicine of Tallahassee made similar findings earlier in the year. Dr. Krause also found that humidity and heat could be an additional factor in off-gassing in his 60-page report. The sheer quantity of potentially 25 million tonnes of the contaminated imported material may have spread through 41 states and affected 250,000 homes, which may all have to be removed together with electrical, plumbing, heating and ventilation systems. The European manufacturing company, which has supplied the contaminated plasterboard, has not provided any public information or indeed admitted liability or made any statements in the USA where the problem first originated. In the UK, contractors may be at risk for component failure and subsequent damage. In the absence of clarification to the contrary, it must be assumed that the European manufacturer has imported similar products to the UK. Certainly we have been asked to assess similar problems in the UK, and it may be prudent to assess the potential for claims and identify the true cause of component failure, which invariably and until recently may have been placed at the wrong door.